Make a great choice today with the 2019 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.